Hi beshies! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mabel Hakansson, and welcome to Team Hakansson Vlog! Happy Monday beshies! Today is September 7, 2020 and I will do the unboxing. Of course, it's one of my bag. I bought this last month but I didn't have time to do the unboxing when I received it because mother is busy. I bought it online. Actually, the price is so high for me anyway. The original price of this bag is 5,100 crowns, but I got it only for 1,836 crowns. Disclaimer, they are not sponsor. And this bag that I'm going to show you is not also a sponsor. So without further ado, let's get started. It's a Coach. So let's open it, beshies. It's a really good deal. My goodness. Ta-da! It's a SCALLOP RIVETS saddle bag. I will leave the real name of this bag. It's from Coach. And guess what, beshies? I really like it because it's really small for me anyway. So beshies, it has 4 colors: off-white, black, metallic gray, and maroon. So I don't know if you can see it. It's maroon and metallic gray, metallic dark gray. So, and it has 2 openings here and here. So you just twist this one and open it. And same as on the other side. Just twist and open it. So let's see inside. Gold hardware on the strap. So that's it, beshies. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and comment down below what you think of the bag. I really like it because it's really small and it's not actually everyday bag. I think it's a party bag because of the style, because of the gold hardware, and because of this, I think. Well, for me, it's not everyday bag. It's a party bag. So, and I really like the strap because you can adjust. You can wear it with this one, a shoulder bag or a body bag. So, thank you so much for always watching, beshies. So, before I end my vlog, I would like to say hi. Shout out to Bing's Kitchen TV Kadiscarte, and to my friend who is vlogger too, Chen O, and Liam's mama. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated every time I have new vlog, well, like cooking or unboxing. And don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Share, beshies. So see you all again on my next one. So this is Mabel Hakansson from Team Hakansson Official signing off. Bye beshies! Be safe and be nice!